All right? Good job, boys and girls. Good job. All right, Miss JJ's awesome sixth graders. So now we're going to look at another category and we are going to write down new vocabulary words. What is this? What do you see here? Wow, this is olive oil. Olive oil. And let me tell you what it is in Arabic. Olive is zaytun and oil is zayt. Olive oil. Zayt al-zaytun. See, boys and girls, it is not written in transliteration on the slide on purpose because I want you to hear me and write what you hear for transliteration. So this is Zayt al-Zaytun. Zayt al-Zaytun. So Zayt is oil and al-Zaytun is olives. And we all know that olive oil comes from olives. Again, Zayt al-Zaytun. In our traditional cuisine, remember I come from Lebanon, we use a lot of olive oil and this is very healthy. For example, over hummus, over labna. Can you tell me how you use zayt al-zaytun on your plates or dishes? I like that. I'm going to use it myself and try it. Thank you, shukran. And this is also al-tamr. Al-tamr is dates. Al-tamr is a fruit that is extremely beneficial and it only grows in the Arab countries. Al-tamr. Also write the transliteration down. Al-tamr. Al-tamr. Dates. Next we have al-hubub. Al-hubub. Al-hubub, as you can see here on the picture, it's all type of grains. So it's al-hubub, grains. And here we have, I know you know this, it's al-ma', al-ma', water, al-ma', water. And العصير 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 هل تحب العصير؟ نعم أحب العصير. I like juice. And حليب. So what do we mainly eat with حليب for breakfast? Cereal. Alright, cereal and حليب. حليب is milk. الحليب. الحليب. And this is الزبادي. الزبادي is another word for laban. This is yogurt. So you can either say laban or الزبادي. Okay, they both work for yogurt. Laban or al-zabadi. So boys and girls, I hope you really enjoyed this lesson on طعام صحي. I have prepared for you very nice activities that I will share with you on Google Classroom. All right, we have lots of activities and exercises for the الطعام الصحي. مع السلامة.